course, October 31st, All Hallows Eve. Like I said, the veil is supposed to be really, really thin now between this reality and the other side. You know, feelings, negative energy, shadows, you know, all sorts of stuff. And it's just not an energy I want to deal with.
The ball's in the same spot.
Yeah. Yeah, those.
Did you hear that? Is that the bear?
Do you want to play a game?
Okay, there you go.
Yeah.
No?
Yeah.
No?
Yeah.
No?
Yeah.
No?
My phone vibrated. That might have been it.
No.
It's quiet enough for you to hear that.
It sounded like it came back from over here.
Maybe the children are back.
Oh, maybe. Is this the door that they were by?
Yeah, they were back there by my house.
Alright. It sounded, I heard something.
If it was the kids, you'd keep hearing it.
Yeah, that door's not alarmed, so you can't open it.
Nobody.
I'm sure we can put that on.
That's a piece of wood. What did it sound like?
What's that?
What did it sound like?
Just, I don't know. It sounded like it came back from his back corner.
Okay.
I don't think it was upstairs. I'm gonna check. Must be that.
That's them, yeah.
Kind of like that, actually. So that could be nice. What was that?
What do you mean?
I just saw something go like this.
I didn't see anything.
Oh,
It.
it's a reflection of the phone.
Oh. Yep.
Okay.
Like that? Yeah.
Yeah. If someone's in that hallway or in a classroom, can you come out into the hallway? If you come out into the hallway, I'll come meet you.
A little creepy.
What was that?
Me moving?
No, that sounded like a deep thump. What was that?
Me moving?
No, that sounded like a deep thump.
I didn't hear it. Alright, we're moving again.
Sounded like a deep thump. If someone's up here with us, I just put a little light on this coffin. Can you stand next to the coffin and try to make that light light up? My name's Shane, and this is Hannah, and just wanted to come talk to you. It's supposed to be easier to talk to you tonight on Halloween. You have anything you'd like to say? Kids outside.
Somewhere, yeah.
They're outside. Might be a house right here.
Do you want to play games?
Something he's doing. Looks like they're making this kind of a meeting area. Okay. That works for me.
Anything?
Nope.
If someone's in here with us, can you try walking on the ground? Making the boards creak?
What kind of assemblies did they used to put on here?
Can you make a noise to let us know that you're here? Any type of noise?
It's kind of a weird noise.
That was down the hall, wasn't it?
Yeah, but I don't know what would make that kind of noise.
They're setting up something.
Yeah, but it was still kind of weird. There it is again. That's like the 6th time.
Your leg?
Yeah, it's just this weird, like, it's always in the same spot. It's just like, it's not an itch or like a stabbing pain or anything. It's just like a weird, like, uncomfortable sensation. And then when we were in the other hallway, I was getting like that feeling
Yeah.
on the other leg.
I think it's just detecting shadows, but I don't know what it's doing. Is there somebody down that hallway? I don't know, man. I think it's just
Is it getting the shelves and stuff?
bugging out. So what it's supposed to do is collaborate and just know that what's in front of it, so that in case any movement comes, it will alert. So it should just be mapping out the environment, basically. So it knows what's there and it knows it's not moving. It's just going crazy. I don't know if it's just bugging out. It's my guess. This is our first time really using it, so
What does it look like when someone stands in it?
I don't know. Interesting. Well, it maps you out completely.
Does it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know what's going on with it. And the closer you get to it, it will start alerting if something's like like next to it. Should at least. Just walk up right to it and see what it does. Yeah. I mean, is it mapping something out or?
Do you get anything?
Yeah, it was all weird looking. You could try, yeah, down by that flower pot thing. Down towards the ground. Nothing.
Nope.
Can someone play that piano for us? See what I mean?
Yeah.
You stepped there, but it might have traveled all the way back to that wall.
Yeah.
That didn't sound like the floor.
No.
Is somebody back there? Can you make another noise? If someone's in the room with us, can you make a noise, please? there was something. Ooh, okay.
What?
Technically over here. You want to put an EMF on it? Closer to the wheel there.
Okay.
Maybe get closer to the wall. If someone was by the wall there by Hannah, can you make yourself appear again? Weird. I don't know what I was trying to map. I mean, there's a pipe there, but... Can you say something? With the phone. Camera's dead.
Surprised it's not picking up that thing. Yeah, I can close. Or that one. Yeah, there it goes. Yeah.
Can anybody make that ball move for us, please?
Could be settling cracks.
Yeah. I thought this ball was wiggling a little bit, but really lightly. Can you actually roll that ball? Can you roll it towards me? Yeah.
Yeah, this way it goes.
Look warmer in here.
Yeah. I think a weird breathing noise.
It wasn't me.
I don't think so.
What was that?
What?
I heard creaking in the hall. That could have been maybe from us walking in here and it transferred out here, but
I don't think so. This is carpeted.
Yeah, so
It says this. You can feel that there's something right here, like a, what do they call that? Like a transition board, a transition
Yeah.
strip or something.
I heard something. Now there's a figure.
This case right here.
Yeah. Nothing?
Nothing.
That's weird. I'm sure we picked it up on camera too. It sounded like creaking.
Yeah, but it wouldn't have transferred for us from us walking in there.
What's up with that light?
I only got one light on it.
Turn your light off. Turn your light off.
Maybe the wind.
Like, why is it strobing?
It's just the,
Fluorescent light bulb?
yeah, it's just that. But it sounded like that door was moving.
Did it?
Yeah. Could be the wind, but
There's chains on it. Did it sound like chains?
no, it sounded closer to that. 'Cause chains were more of a rattling sound. That was like a,
I didn't hear that.
I heard it twice.
Maybe we caught it.
Maybe.
Was that bear?
No, it just sounded like some kind of beeping.
Alvin?
Yep.
Charts.
Yep.
If you're here, Alvin, can you come stand by us? Can you come stand in front of this tripod? If you come stand by it, it'll let us know that you're here.
Okay.
Like that.
Working.
If you want us to leave, will you stand in front of that, please? Or if you don't mind that we're here, can you stand in front of that?
one for a while.
Yeah, like the length of the building or something. Old desks.
Oh wow. Okay, it's somebody walking.
Do you want to get any pictures?
Yeah, I can do that. Turn the flashlight off.
Turn the flashlight off.
No, I have to turn mine off. Hang on. Chase, come on. God damn it.
You said turn the flashlight off.
I have to turn mine off.
It's much colder, isn't it? Yeah, way colder.
Breathe on the legs. Right.
Get a picture there. Alright, we gotta pack up our stuff.
Alright.
So I try to pull off this green screen like I'm on the set of the latest Marvel movie, and yeah, hopefully in the future. There we go, that looks a little more familiar. I'd like to start out this outro by thanking Tom Foster, Executive Director of the Bullion Plaza, for letting us investigate. The museum is packed with historic information and relics, and we plan on visiting very soon. But this time with the lights on and without the Boo Bear.
Do you want...
For more information on the Bullion Plaza, we will leave a link down below in the description. Also, if you sign up for our Patreon, we have a 50-minute walkthrough of the entire museum with Tom. Now, let's see how haunted I believe the Bullion Plaza is. EMF activity was pretty much non-existent, but audio-wise, potential EVPs were caught. Strange thumps and echoes were heard.
What was that?
Me moving?
No, that sounded like a deep thump.
And both teams also caught potential disembodied voices.
Is that the bear?
Yeah.
The shaking door on the first floor didn't make much sense either. No one was directly above us or outside of the double doors. After considering all of this evidence, I would rate the Bullion Plaza 71% haunted. That moves it into our number 5 spot, with the Rose Tree Museum being removed respectively. I'd like to thank everyone for their recent support, all the likes, the views, the shares. This year has started out awesomely, and we're glad to have you along for the ride. We had a little bit of success on TikTok with one of our recent clips getting almost 10,000 views. You can give us a follow on there as well for more recent updates as to what we're up to, and don't worry, I don't dance on there. At least not yet. Please sub to our channel and hit the bell for notifications for when we upload next, or sign up at www.reminvestigations.com/contact. I promise you we will only send you notifications for when we upload a brand new video to our channel. Next time we explore a ghost town in the middle of the desert with strange happenings. They just kicked off their brand new approach to YouTube with a monster of a video, and it is a must see. So until then, stay safe and we'll see you next time.